Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my typical Sunday routine. This is just kind of what I do on a typical Sunday to, get my life back in order. So as you can see, I always start with making my bed. I try to do this first thing in the morning just so I have something, to put my laundry on or whatever. So yeah, and now I'm just unpacking some stuff. I went to an away game for my college. I'm on the dance team here, so they took us. And here I'm just playing with Boo a little bit too. She missed me when I was gone, I guess. And then I'm just gonna put these clothes away, and I like to just, clean up my space so I feel ready for the week. And I like to also light some candles just to get the mood and get some good scents going. These candles smell really good. I got one of them from Target. Actually, no, I got both of them from Target. And then I like to also get my diffuser going. So today I'm just going to be using peppermint by doTERRA and some lavender. And then I'm also going to start by cleaning my makeup brushes. I haven't done this in a while, so they got pretty gross, and it's important to make sure you wash your makeup brushes at least as much as you can because they can hold a lot of bacteria. And then I just did a little bit of tidying up, getting rid of some clutter that I left around from the week before, and then I just decided to use some of this multi-surface cleaner to wipe off my desk and my side table. I got this from Brandless and it smells so good. So yeah, as you can see, my room is nice and clean now and ready to take on the week. So after I cleaned up my room, I moved into the living room just to fluff up the pillows on the couch and get rid of some cups and mugs and stuff that were sitting around from earlier. And then I took that same multi-surface cleaner that I used in my room from Brandless and started wiping down the coffee table, and I also wiped down the TV stand and the little end table that's in the living room, but I didn't record that. Just sprayed down the couch with some Febreze so it smells nice, and then I pulled out the vacuum and started vacuuming the rug in the living room because it gets nice and dusty in there throughout the week, and I like to vacuum at least once a week just to get up all that dirt and stuff. Then I plugged in my twinkle lights that are in the living room, and then started putting the dishes that were in the sink into the dishwasher, just cleaning up from the week before. And since Sunday is grocery shopping day, I took a peek into the fridge and then started making a list of things that I saw that I needed for the week, like some dinners and stuff that I needed. And before I went, I decided to make a turmeric smoothie, which I'm going to share with you guys. So all you need is frozen mango, some coconut milk, a whole banana, turmeric, cinnamon, chia seeds, and then I like to add some flax seeds, optional, but you don't need it. So I just started by putting just the mango chunks into my blender, and I like to use frozen ones because it makes it more like a smoothie, like a cold smoothie, and you don't have to really add any ice. And then I started adding my banana in there. I like when my banana is a little bit more ripe, so it's a little sweeter. And then I just added a scoop, like about a tablespoon of this flaxseed blend. I don't really know what all else is in there, but flax seeds are really good, a really good source of healthy fats. And then I just added of course, you know, the secret ingredient, some turmeric, which really helps with inflammation throughout the body and helps with your skin, and it's just really, it's one of my favorite ingredients that I've added into my diet lately. And then some cinnamon, which is a thermogenic food which helps burn fat in your body, and it makes the smoothie taste a million times better, and it really complements the taste of turmeric. And then I'm going to just go in with about this much coconut milk. You guys know I'm not good with measurements, but I like to add my liquids in before I add chia seeds, because the chia seeds will stick to the side of your blender cup. Just a little pro tip there. And here is the final product. It was delicious. So now I'm just heading to the grocery store to get those things that I wrote on my list earlier. I just needed a few random things for the week. I got like some lettuce, a few frozen meals, some eggs, you know, the essentials. Let me know down in the comments below if that's a video you want to see, like a more in-depth like grocery haul or something. I'd love to do that, but just let me know. So now we're going to get into the fun stuff. I really love to do self-care on Sundays, so I started by diffusing some of my relaxation blend by Beechwood essential oils, and then I started doing a hair mask. This is by LeBang Body. I got this from Walmart actually. One of my favorite YouTubers uses these hair masks, and they have body oil as well. But let me tell y'all, this stuff, I got the vanilla scent, and it literally smells like a cupcake, and it made my hair feel so soft. And yeah, so this is like the hydrating one. It's hydrating for your scalp and your hair, which Lord knows I need some of that in my life. And I have really thick long hair, so I had to use like the whole packet in my hair. So while I'm letting that sink in, I decided to make a little face mask. This is the Indian Healing Clay, and it comes in powder form, and you can either mix it with apple cider vinegar or water. I have really dry skin right now, so I decided to do just water. So it's not as drying on my skin, but whenever I have like a breakout or something, I do like to use the apple cider vinegar. So while I let this set, all that stuff sink in, like my hair mask and my face mask, I'm going to take a bath, do some dry brushing, put a bath bomb in there, and soak in some Epsom salts, which is, this one I also got from Walmart, and it's really good for people with psoriasis or eczema. So after my bath, I just made myself a nice nourishing dinner, worked on some homework and some YouTube stuff just to get caught up and get ahead for the week. So then I just made some peppermint tea and watched The Bachelor in Paradise with my roommate. Peppermint tea is really good for your digestive system, and I really like to have tea before I go to bed just to wind down, set my intentions for the night, and have a good night's sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's kind of random, but I really like watching these kinds of videos on YouTube because I find them very therapeutic, and it helps me find new ideas of new routines or new habits to kind of incorporate into my Sunday night. And as always, don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe if you aren't already. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Go outside and do something that makes you happy, and I will see you guys next week.